There are 4 settings that are important for the streaming auto roll to be applied using Mee6. The first is to make sure that you have streamer mode enabled on your Discord account. Make sure to have your Twitch account linked to your Discord. Be using streaming software that Discord can detect, like OBS or XSplit. And you must also have activity sharing enabled. Having streamer mode enabled can be toggled on by going to your user settings, scroll down to streamer mode, and toggle on automatically enable streamer mode if OBS or XSplit are running. Be sure to be using software that Discord recognizes, like OBS or XSplit. To get your Twitch account connected to your Discord, you can do this by going to User Settings, Connections, View More, and click on the Twitch icon. This will open a window for you to log in to your Twitch account, which will connect to your Discord. You can see I have my Twitch connected already, and it does show display on profile toggled on. Be sure you also have activity sharing enabled and go to User Settings, scroll to Activity Privacy, and toggle on Share My Activity. Now that we have all the settings enabled that we need, let's dive into how to set up the auto streamer roll option in Mee6. Keep in mind that this is a premium feature and you must have a subscription or lifetime membership to enable it. The first step we will need to do is to create the role that will be applied to streamers when they go live. Go into your server settings, create role, go to roles, and then we'll give the role a name. We'll call ours streaming. You can customize the color or whatever you wish. We'll do dark purple for ours. Then we will scroll down and toggle on the display role members separately from online members. This will give those who are streaming their own little category in the members list. Make sure not to position the role higher than the highest role that Mee6 has in the server. This will cause an error to occur. My Mee6 is a Hawk Owl, so we will move streaming right underneath Hawk Owl. Save changes. And your role has been created. Now we will need to enable the role to be auto-assigned in Mee6. You'll go to your Mee6 dashboard, scroll down to the Twitch alerts section, toggle on give a special role to member streaming right now, and we'll add the role we just created, which was streaming, and you're all set there. You can also restrict the community members who can be assigned the streaming role if you would like. This is often done in the case of subscribers or other streamers that you play with often that are part of your community that you want to kind of give a little bit more exposure to you. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos in the future.